Hi guys, welcome to Operation Crypto. This is a price analysis update on Polkadot. We've had a breakout of this ascending triangle and things are starting to look good across crypto in general, never mind just Polkadot. But we have a lot of things coming for Polkadot. We have parachains up and coming, and it is going to be a hell of a ride beginning soon. But we'll have a look at a few key levels. So we'll take a look at areas where we could potentially invest if we do get a pullback, and then we'll also take a look at some areas of resistance above, and maybe even a little bit of price prediction thrown in there. If you're new to this channel, please make sure that you are subscribed, hit that like button, and let's crack on. So welcome, this video is in partnership with Cointelegraph's Markets Pro. If you are wanting to get one step ahead of the game, go ahead and check their platform out. You will find that link within the pinned comment and the description of this video. So as I did mention towards the beginning there, we did get that breakout we was looking for. It was either swinging two ways, it was either coming down and retest this 382 level, or this 618 at 17 or $22, but we use this bottom level here of spot 23 bucks, and then we just broke out to the upside. So now we've broken up, let's get rid of that, and to be honest I can't see these levels getting fulfilled down at the bottom now. So what we'll do is just start off fresh and have a look at this latest move. So we are now above this level of resistance, which is now support. So 26 bucks is the support level. What I want to do is drop into a 4-hour time frame. We'll get a better perspective of this rise and have a look at some potential areas we could invest. I've said towards the beginning as well that parachains are up and coming, and I think Q4 is going to be so big for Polkadot. I mean, you've seen what ADA has done, you've seen what Ethereum's done. I think this is going to be sensational. Well, you've seen what Solana's done, you've seen what Avalanche has done. All these layer ones have been performing massively. Polkadot is yet really to see any big performance, and I think we will see a massive explosion on Polkadot at some stage. But just put a little bit of a bearish scenario on this, and we'll take that this move here was the leading move before we broke out of that level of resistance, and then we pushed right up, and we're currently sat at $34.23. Just a little bit of a bearish scenario here. If we do get a pullback and you are looking for some orders to get filled, I would target this region here. So this is pretty much bang on that moving average 50 and tied in very nicely with the 382 level of Fibonacci, which is $30.99. So that's around $31. If you're looking for some orders, you may get some picked up there. So we may, if we do get a little rejection, you might get some orders filled up there. In a worst case scenario, if we do drop a little bit lower, then you can look at this level to place some orders at around $28.46. But I'm more in favour to push to the upside. I'm actually expecting Bitcoin to go on a bit of a rally. We're currently just below 52k. Now, I'll just jump to Bitcoin in a second. If we just drop back to a daily, if we do break out now, which we have done, above that level of resistance, I think the next target is here. 56,189. That could happen overnight. It could happen tomorrow. I'm fully expecting that over the course of the next say week to 10 days. I think we will be up at 56k. So that's a bit of a prediction from me. But going back to Polkadot, that is a bearish scenario there. The first level we need to look at though of resistance, if you're wanting to either accumulate or just skim a little bit of profit off the table, we've got this region here at $41, which ties in nicely with that 618 negative Fibonacci level. For me, I'm not even considering selling anything, and I'm not even looking to accumulate. I'm quite lucky I managed to buy all my bags below $5. But it depends what your plan is. I mean, I wanted to take profit on my way up, or are you wanting to accumulate? If you are wanting to accumulate, you need to find this level of resistance. This is a weaker level of resistance, so you could potentially set some sales there. But for me, I think the first major area to only sell to accumulate, or to at least skim a bit of profit, is around that $50 region. I think that'll be the first major area to get through, and then once we do break above there, we can have a look at some higher targets. So if we just have a bit of a zoom out and have a look at this region here, so let's get rid of that. We'll have a look at a little bit of a price prediction here, and we'll use a Fibonacci again from the top of a move all the way down to the bottom, and this will give us a few levels above where we can look at targeting. So we have $74, you're going to laugh at some of these, but these, you might think, oh, not a chance, Andy, but these will happen. All the way up to 192. I think this will at least hit that top level on this cycle, and maybe more. I think at some stage in the future, I think this is $1,000 asset. Whether that be in this cycle, I'm not too sure on that, but I think it will definitely be in or towards $400 or $500 towards the end of the year. And this, I think this will be blasted out of the water, especially once these power chain auctions get going. And I think, yeah, buying now, anything under this region, under $50, is a massive buy for me. I've been topping up as much as I can. So all in all, things are looking good. Very, very bullish for me on this, and like I say, we are now trading back above this moving average 50 on my daily, which is a bullish sign, and money flow is in the green too. We'll just take a quick look at the BTC pair, which is currently at 6,500 satoshis. Level of resistance here, the red level is 7,000 sats. If you're looking to take profit, I think that's the first major area to break through. But if we do manage to break through, if you're looking for some longs or to buy, this will be the area to buy, and then wait for that breakout to the upside. If we do manage to flip that area to support, I think things will really start to look good. But if you're looking for some buys in terms of satoshis, have a bit of a zoom in. Yield Fibonacci on this move here. Now look at that, how nicely we tapped. That moving average 50 there was an absolute beautiful tap. But if we look at this move here, and you're looking for some buys, oh god, that's even better. Look at that, 382 fib level, tap on that moving average 50. That went absolute perfection. If I did this video 6-7 hours ago, that would have been an order that would have hit very nice, but it looks like we just missed that. Still, though, we might get a tap down to 6273. That could be a good area if you're looking to buy. And if Bitcoin does go on a bit of a random rally and starts pushing up towards 56 to 70k, 56 to 57k, ultimately the Satoshi pairs will start to feel a bit of that pain, and you may get some orders filled down here around 5,839 Satoshis. I'd just like to wrap this video up by just taking a quick look at the Valkyrie Indicator. If you're looking for a trading indicator, especially onto the lower time frames, if you're wanting to scalp and earn a bit of passive income, go ahead and check this indicator out. So this is the Valkyrie Indicator. If you check the description of this video, you'll see a link for Discord for the Valkyrie. Go and check that out. It's multiple options. So you've got an option where there's traders, where you're giving out calls daily, or there's an option for the indicator. Just running over this, so we get a couple of signals here which I've found quite work well. So if you look at this green band here, this is resistance. Purple band here is support, and then these dots are RSI, overbought and oversold signals. So if you're looking at these dots here, red dots, these was overbought. That gave you a good signal which tied in nicely at level of resistance, and we dropped to here. Then if you're looking at this region here, same again happened. We dropped all the way down to here. Then we had oversold. RSI dots tied in this level of resistance, bang, straight to the upside. No RSI oversold signals there, overbought, but we did manage to get a rejection there. And look at that, we've had an overbought RSI, oversold again, and then we pushed to the upside. So that's a good indicator. If you're looking for a scalping indicator or even a long-term swing, go ahead and check it out. It's a great indicator, and you can go back in time and back test it as much as you like. So that's going to do it for today's video. If you are new to this channel, please make sure that you are subscribed. Hit that like button, and I'll catch you next time.